I'm Christopher with Digital, joined by Keri, our Vice President of Operations, Melissa, our Lead Project Manager, and Garrett, a Project Manager here at Deep Digital. Today we're going to go over the difference between a template and a custom website. Melissa, will you start us off?
Sure. Thanks, Christopher. Yeah, let's talk a little bit about the difference between a template and a custom WordPress website. WordPress is this amazing tool that, hundreds of thousands of businesses use every day to build their websites. And if you're starting out a business or looking to change up your website, first thing you're going to find is that you need a design for your site, or you need to get some sort of template out there. And WordPress offers a huge library of templated website designs that you can kind of pretty easily pick through. It gives you, placements of images. It tells you exactly where to put something. It gives you usually limited colors, things like that. You can plug and play and you're good to go. The problem with these is that they're just like everybody else in the world out there, and it's going to start maybe looking like all of the other websites. It might be kind of easy to use, a good starting point if you're just sort of dipping your toes into a potential business, kind of want to see what happens to start with a template. But if, in my opinion, if you're really serious about your business, you want to go with a fully customized designed website that really shows off your website, to the best of your business. It's going to be, one of a kind. If you're working with somebody like, us at the Digital, it's going to be better optimized for speed, for search engine optimization, and really it's going to show people that you're serious about your business, because it's not going to be kind of a plug and play and what everyone else looks like. It's going to be impressive and uh, really a great tool for your business. We do a lot of custom work, and I think we have a lot of great examples we can link to in the notes. Keri or Garrett, anything to add?
Yeah. So I know one thing that's really nice about having custom design WordPress, comes to the optimization level. I know one of our earlier podcasts, we talked about, performance and, using templated sites, things that you see from theme forest, things you buy, you install, you put demo data in there are very bloated. So, that tackles that issue again. That's where a lot of, people who go the theme forest route or something that's just kind of sort of turnkey, out of the box, they struggle with performance because a lot of it's just very bloated. So with, a custom, design and a custom WordPress, site allows to have better search engine optimization. It creates a much more light framework site, and ultimately provides you with a scalable site for growth, without it necessarily, being bogged down and becoming outdated very quickly. And it's less prone to being hacked as well. A lot of template sites are open to the public. A lot of that code can be then exploited and then be hacked into later on. So, and that's what a lot of hackers like to do and try to find.
Yeah, I would add too about the popular page builders out there, Elementor, Divi, WP Bakery. All of those are great tools for DIYers, hobbyists. Testing out an idea or business idea. But those page builders have so many options, so many blocks and templates and things that you don't need, and so you end up having this big bloated site when really you only needed 8 focused pages and just the things that your site needs in order for it to be fast, um, and effective. Also, when you buy a theme from Theme Forest, you're trying to take your business information and fit it into their idea, their theme. Whereas when you build a custom site, we start at the very bottom. We start, what are the goals of the website? Do we want to see clicks or calls or form submissions, sales, whatever it is. We start with the site map. We plan the pages and the posts and the hierarchy of all those, and plan the structure of the site before it's built. We also do wireframes. So wireframes are a digital black and white sketch of the layout of the site, of the page, excuse me, and that's where we do all of the strategy. So when you have a theme that's already built, you're very limited because you're having to kind of cram your goals and ideas into someone else's theme. Whereas when we wireframe everything out, we can decide, this is where the call to action is going to be. This is where the image, this is where the copy will be. And it can be customized to your goals and your business, um, way before it's ever coded. And then when all of the strategy is planned out, then we give it to the designer, and then the designer puts all the visual touches to it, the colors, the fonts, the imagery, and makes it just look really nice. And then we build it. So, you're really getting a customized solution that fits your business's goals and needs.
Yeah, it's more than just a design and a website. It's a strategy catered to your business, a design catered to your business, and ultimately something that's developed around the design and the strategy itself. So it's tailored to you specifically.
Yeah, there, you have to keep in mind there's certainly a cost factor. And like Keri said, if you're a hobbyist, or you're just dipping your toe into a new business, you don't have much budget. Try a pre-made template, and fit your information into it. See how that goes. If you're a little bit more serious and you're really looking to build an empire, right? You you're gonna want to go with a more custom work with someone who's gonna like work with you to really make that right for your business. And in the end, you're gonna get the support you need as well to make changes, grow the website, build it, and build your audience out. And that's the kind of support that we do provide.
Thank you. I think the three of you really helped illustrate the differences between a template and a custom website. For anyone looking to work with an award-winning web design and marketing company, visit thedigital.com to view your portfolio and speak to one of our solution consultants about your project. Bye, guys.
Bye. Thanks,
Bye.
everybody.